So today is Sunday, July 6, and I am packing my things here for my flight next week. My first international flight sa Vietnam with friends. So this would be my first ever international flight. So pinag-pray na natin to kayo St. Clair. So nag-align ako ng Igla Sunday for good weather and smooth travel and everything was smooth lang. Enjoy lang namin. So this would be my gift to myself because everyone knows naman na for the past 2 years I've been through so much. I think alam mo naman kasi I've been posting a lot and I'm not posting it naman for something. It's just my way of thinking for everyone who knows me. Na-post talaga ako sa social media. And that's me. I'm not pretending to be someone naman. So I don't think there's something wrong with that. For as long as wala naman ako ginagawa sa inyo. And eto nga, nagpagawa ako ng passport holder. Which this one. Ayan. So, nakalagay dito. Takpan natin yung kapatid ko. Nakalagay, when the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. And this is it. My first travel. Actually, the original plan was to travel with the family. Kasi actually, actually medyo matagal na sa branch na pinanggalingan ko, which is sa Aliman, kasi second branch ko na to sa Cubao. Nagaya na sila nung nag-Hong Kong, and ako, game naman ako, pero parang pag once kasi na excuse me, you have a family na parang traveling alone without your kids or not with the family, parang nakaka-guilty na. Siyempre, first flight yun. Kaya, hindi ako sumama. Kasi na, I am planning to do it with the family. But unfortunately, it will not happen because, alam mo na, God has other plans for us. So, sorry kids. Mama will travel muna with friends. But I promise na pag-iipunan ni Mama and we will travel together. Kayong dalawang Ate Shannon and bunso ni Regine, palaki ka lang muna ng konti kasi syempre hindi mo na-enjoy ng bata kapag medyo maliit pa yung travel. So ito yun, dalawa kami ng Ate Shannon ko. Si Regine kasi wala pa siyang passport, pero soon madali lang naman kapag may kailangan yung magpa-appointment. So pareho lang yan. Ate Shannon is pink because this is her favorite color. So sa likod may nakalagay din dito, fill your life with experiences, not things. Have stories to tell, not stuff to show. May name din niya. Kasi syempre, only live once. So, balance lang natin. Syempre, you have to save din naman. And at the same time, you have to enjoy life. I-balance lang natin. Kasi nga, di ba, lagi may kasabihan na kapag bata ka, wala kang time and wala kang money. Diba? Kasi syempre, parang you're still building up for your family. And then naman, pagtanda mo naman, may time ka na, may money ka na, pero wala ka ng lakas. Diba? And you'll never know naman what will happen next. So, better to just balance it. Huwag naman kayo mag-travel ng parang ipipilit lang din iutang, struggle na kayo for parang basta just balance it. And hindi naman kailangan mag-travel naman ng abroad or anything. Basta anything that makes you happy with the family, it's okay. So basta i-enjoy lang ang buhay. Kasi yun nga, we only live once. But still, do it right. So ayun, ang dami ko nang sinabi. Ito ang hirap mag-pack ng things. Kasi actually 4 days, 3 nights lang kami. Pero ang hirap mag-decide kung ang isusuot. Kasi actually, ang sabi, ang weather doon is pa rin naman, summer pa rin. Pero syempre, minsan nabuulan, hindi naman masabi. So, kaya nag-alay na tayo ng kay St. Clair. And knowing St. Clair, hindi naman ako binibigo ni St. Clair palagi pag I pray. I pray for everything. Actually, si Mireya din recent answered prayer. Doon din namin siya pinag-pray. And doon din sa church ni Father Laura sa Our Lady of Lasal. Basta naman maniniwala ka and your prayer is from the heart, it will be granted. But kung meron mga times na hindi nag-grant, meron talagang mga hindi nag-grant. At it doesn't mean na wala siyang ginagawa. Kumbaga siguro, he has better plans for us. So, ayun. So, good luck sa pagpapakto kasi ang hirap. Mag-more than 7 kilograms ako dito. Kasi ang dami kong gamit. Yan, para may dalawang luggage ang kung madadalhin ko para pagbalik for the pasalubong, meron na rin tayong lagayan. So, mag-pack muna tayo, guys. Say hi, brother.
Hello.
Ayan, kasi gusto niya nasa background daw siya. Mag-pack muna tayo, guys.